Good morning, students of level 7 of Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9. This is Marshall here. Today, basically, going to give you a brief review of the assignment regarding the workbook that you have been given. Okay, so we'll basically be doing the workbook of the final chapter that we did, which was basically about the early Mughals. Okay, so in there basically in the first page you can basically see that you are being told that you have to basically write a report of the Battle of Panipat. It's kind of like you went there, you were assigned a task to basically write a secret report of what happened in the battle, and then you have to basically write it down. So how are you going to write it? What are you going to write about it? You basically have to first of all write about who were the two armies. Okay, it was the Ibrahim Khan Lodi and Babur. Okay, you will have to write about what were the numbers of the army. Okay, were the elephants, horses, how many of them were there in both the armies, and what kind of weapons did they have? Okay, write about the weapons, especially about the weapons, and then finally write down that in the end we know that Babur won the battle. So you basically be writing that Babur won the battle due to his superior weapons. Okay, that is basically the report that you have to write. It's a very simple report that you will be writing. Just write about the detailed summary of the battle. Okay, and emphasize on the weapons. Now on the second page you will basically be told about the likes and dislike of Babur. Now we were told that Babur, when he settled in India, he liked certain things and he disliked certain things. You basically have to write about what things did he like and what things did he not like. Okay, on the other page you can basically see what you basically write about what things did Akbar like, what things did he like and what things did he not like. Again, this is given in your book, so you can basically look it up and then you'll be able to write the answer easily. Lastly, you are given two questions. First, it is asked, why do you think there was a difference of opinion between the two? Okay, so you basically know that Babur came from Samarkand, whereas Akbar was born in India. So he basically had kind of an attachment towards India. Okay, so that's one of the reason, and second reason can be that he wanted to show that he was a true Indian. So that can be another reason. Finally, which of these two rulers had the most favorable view of India? That that is basically Akbar. He had a more favorable opinion about India. Okay, so this is it. This is all you have to do. Okay, now I hope you have understood it. Again, if you have any questions, you can always get back to me. All right, take care, everyone. Allah Hafiz.